Okay, so the last box that I got that I did not do an unboxing on was a new clamp for the Hajimoto Firefly setup, which is right here. And this is a 1-inch clamp. I've got the 30mm clamp on the Helix, and I asked Hajimoto if he would sell these individually, and so he went ahead and listed them individually, which is a nice help. So every scope I get, I will be putting one of these on there. And yeah, I need to get a scope dedicated to every gun, so then I'm not swapping scopes back and forth, and then every gun will have a clamp and a scope, and then all I have to do is grab my setup and swap it back and forth between the guns, and be real easy once it's already set to each scope. So that's what was in the last box. And then while I was on his site looking at that, I came across right here is the door to get into the camera. So this is a plastic piece, and Hajimoto offers this aluminum one. So I thought that's really cool. I need to upgrade this thing. So it uses the same hinge that's in there, and so all I have to do is loosen up this guy right here and pop this out, this hinge, which is pretty easy to do. It pops out, and then from there I have to get it out of here. Okay, then I take my little screwdriver. Alrighty then. Got a tiny Phillips. Take this piece out. Careful not to lose it. This piece in. Slide this guy back. It's a really tiny piece, so you want to be careful with it. And tighten that down. Okay. Slide this right back in, if I can see. Everybody tells me I need glasses, I probably do. Start on this side. Okay. If you have good eyes, this would go a lot smoother. Okay. Slide that hinge back in. And there you have it. Oof, that's a snug fit. Nice. New aluminum door hinge. The latch. And it feels a lot tighter. It feels a lot nicer on there than that plastic one. So sweet. Those are 2 offerings from Hajimoto Productions, which make my life a lot easier. Once again, thank you for putting out awesome product. See you guys on the next one.